What's the dumbest thing you got in trouble for in school? When I was in primary school, I had really bad social anxiety, so my teacher allocated a small table outside the classroom where I could go if I was having a panic attack. This was somewhat effective until I got a new teacher who would send me out to the table at the slightest provocation. Fiddling with my hair, jiggling my leg, or smiling when I thought of something funny all got me a trip to the table. She never did this to anyone else. If they got in trouble, they would just stand in the corner of the classroom. Additionally, she would record every visit to the principal's office in my diary as a panic attack or misbehavior, resulting in a change in my anxiety medication dosage. Eventually, the system stopped working altogether, as the table was more of a punishment, and being sent to it would worsen any stress I was experiencing.